Hi, this is Dr. Robert Antolak from the General Dentist of Shelby Township, and I just wanted to share some good things that some of our patients have been doing for us. Actually, through the years, what I've done in the past was I would go to Haiti, actually for 19 years, and I finally ended up stopping a couple years ago once the gangs got so badly in Haiti. What we did not do is we did not stop helping them out. In the past, I would bring the funds down with me, but what I've done is I've asked patients if they would be kind enough to, let's say I have to extract a tooth or I have to replace a crown, and if there's metal in it, and there's some value to that metal. And so a combination of our patients who give a little at a time, we've been able to accumulate $2,931 for refining of the metal that they've done. And I just wanted to just share that, this is going to a good cause. The cause is to help orphan children and a school that's down there. And so that money will be going to an organization. I do plan on going down to the Dominican Republic in the springtime to help those who are in need of dental care. So that actually to the Dominican Republic, and I do work on Haitians down there because they are the least of these, as Jesus would say. So thank you once again. This is just a thank you to all of you who have contributed, and I'm looking forward to 2026 where we continue to do the same. God bless you and Merry Christmas.